This week, we had a friend from Canada visit, which gave us an opportunity to cruise and explore Phang Nga Bay and the surrounding islands one last time before shipping the boat to the Mediterranean. Zero to hero.
This is Kurt, who we know from when we lived in British Columbia. To start our week, we visited Koh Ha, which had become a favorite spot for us.
Yeah, we're slamming a little.
We made our way east and explored a new-to-us island, Koh Phu, also known as Koh Jum. Here it's possible to rent scooters to drive the length of the island. It's very affordable and a nice quiet island to tour.
Yeah.
Let me try something. I don't think it's straight enough, but no.
So we've had a sensor malfunction for our Blackwater tank. Kevin has been exploring what's going on with it. And tank is pretty well empty.
Empty as it can be.
Yeah. So he's gonna remove the sensor next.
That's irrelevant because it says it's at 100%.
Yeah. Okay. Yummy yum. Tube was full of stuff.
Put it in this stupid tube with these tiny little holes.
So see that one there is blocked.
And the other side.
Yeah, totally blocked up. So it can't drain, which is why it was full. So the top stuff is coming out and it's gross. We're in Koh Lanta today. And it is a lovely, massive beach. We're gonna hang out, maybe check out a market. And tomorrow, the plan is Koh Ha. Do some snorkeling. And grubs. Dr. Fish therapy.
I guess you sit on the ledge.
Don't fall in.
Yeah.
They're checking you out.
Oh yeah, we're going.
Does it hurt?
It's a little scratchy.
A little scratchy? Kevin's getting covered over there.
Can I use that?
She makes that look easy, but it is not. Butter. That easy.
9 p.m. The best of the best. The champions of the champions. Bangkok champions, Southern Thai champions, Brunei, Williams Boxing Stadium, Brunei.
We're arriving at Koh Ha, 5 islands, and it's busy in here today. We're on a mooring ball, but we've been here before, so we know it drops off and we have enough room. It's fantastic. Last time.
For a while anyway. Nice spot.
We've arrived at Koh Phi. And it's a little hectic with all the boat traffic. What are you getting?
I'm gonna try the berry cheesecake bliss.
How much is it?
So hectic. next time we attend a fight night and then fly to Hong Kong. Thanks for watching.
Today we're in Hong Kong, on our way over to, there's a marina over there.
Yeah.
Somewhere. So they've splashed the MC68, McConaughey 68 sailboat, and we may have the opportunity to go out and sail on it during the sea trials, because
Yeah.
we're here anyway, doing a visa run, and we have to give McConaughey back a little piece that they sent us that wasn't the right fit. So
Yeah.
double, you know,
Well, that's not why we're here, but
two birds.
yeah.